Welcome to ATP Customs. Well, the guys over at Fountain Tire hooked us up today. We got more fun tires to play with. So let's do a little bit of a tire review on the ones we have already been through, on the Bronco, the Tahoe, and the Jimmy, and then we're going to talk about these as well. So, on the Bronco, Mr. White's Bronco, we have a set of 315/7017 Dick Cepeks that I ran on my Dodge for 2 years, and I have done a review on these and the Atturos already, so I'll just be quick about it. Ran them for 2 years, and now they're on his Bronco, and he's going to run them until he gets his new wheels, and I love them. Dick Cepek, definite yes. I would buy, and I will buy, several more sets of those. Sorry, that is the Extreme Country. I forgot to mention. It's Extreme Country on the Dick Cepeks. That's my favorite Dick Cepek tire. The Atturo Trailblade 35/1250/17s. I ran those on my Dodge for 2 years, and I've been running them on the Tahoe for almost 8 months now. And a lot of life out of these. The Dick Cepeks, I didn't get as much life out of them, but they worked harder than these did. So I can't blame Dick Cepek. They definitely worked a lot harder than these did, so it's not a very good comparison. Love those better than these. These were cheaper than those, probably about half, but they aren't anymore. I think those were $250 at the time, and now they're $450 to $500. Those were $510 at the time, and now they've come down, so I guess they're pretty equal. We have the Cooper Discoverer STT Pro 1250/20s. A lot of tires around here, hard to remember everything. So yes, that's a set of 20s, 37s. I've been running those for 2 summers on my Jimmy, and I only run it in the summer in the really hot weather. For some reason my propane runs better in the hot, so I only drive it in the heat. And they've been really good on, we're in the high 30s, mid to around 35, 36 degrees for the last week or two. That's Celsius. That is hot, and it's hard on tires, but these have done really well. I have to say, in the snow around here, they didn't do so well. This thing's got posy, and they just spinning out everywhere we go around here. So yeah, I don't drive this in the winter anyway, so it doesn't matter. But I would not use those for work or for winter. Trailblades, I would not use them for winter. I would just use them for an all-around tire on my SUV, I think. Dick Cepeks, I would use them on everything. What did we get? Mr. White got a very cool tire. It is the Amp Terrain Pro. What I love about this tire, it says ATP on it. So that must be a cool tire if it says ATP. So that is a 325/60R20. I actually really like the tread design. I'm no tire expert, so I cannot remember what they are close to. They all look like BFG knockoffs to me in some ways, but they're very close, I imagine. An all-terrain tire. We're going to see what those are. They look pretty nice. And these are actually discontinued, so I'm on the hunt for 2 more, and if I can find 2 more somewhere, I am going to run them on my Dodge and wear these things out this year. Because I don't care. They were so cheap that I want to abuse them and see what happens. 35/1250/17 general grabbers. So hopefully I can find 2 more, and then we'll throw those on my Dodge and I can give you a proper review. Tread pattern to me, very similar to BF Goodrich, I guess. Like I said, I'm no tire expert, so don't take offense if they're not. To me, they just look similar. But we get to try them out, and that's what I love doing. Trying tires and wheels out. It's one of my favorite things to do, clearly. Put tires and wheels on absolutely everything I possibly can. Yes, I should have done a tire review on some Mickey Thompsons, but we haven't got the chip yet for this thing, and then maybe I will do. There you go. More fun tires to play with. And more SUVs all over the place. Thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe.